Sometimes I have to keep on breathing in. My lungs are filled with too much pain.
Give me water.
All the shadows of the past that I'm so leaving, they held me in my sleepless nights, and I'm drowning in the noise like a free fall.
Hey guys, welcome back again to another interesting vlog. Welcome back to our channel. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for clicking in to watch this amazing girl. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our interesting vlogs. And to our returning subscribers, thank you so much. God bless each and every one of you for all the amazing support. Sorry, I don't even know why I'm rushing. This voiceover is always like, I'm always like repeating it just to get the right words. Okay, so the Saturday, Sunday, our weekend in our life. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. So I just woke up and I started folding the clothes and fishing out the clothes I'm supposed to wash. After that, I'm going to take my bath and do like small skincare, like something like that, just to do some laundry. Okay, so that's what I'm doing, fishing out clothes, like selecting the colored ones because I don't like washing everything together. So after that, I'm going to arrange the kitchen, keep my pots that I washed yesterday evening where it's supposed to be, like arrange things that I washed that have dried up where it's supposed to be. So that is what I'm doing now. After that, like, I love taking my bath before entering the kitchen because I just want to be clean. Like, I don't want mess. I don't even like mess because you're not going to do more mess here up in the house. So I just love taking my bath before entering the kitchen. At times I want to, but mostly I take my bath before entering the kitchen. So after that, I'm going to cook my ginger and lemon tea because I don't have it again. I used to cook like 3 days on together, so I won't be stressing myself every morning to cook like every day. I'll be blending and cooking. So that is what I'm cooking now. I'm cooking for like 3 days, so the one that is going to last 3 days for me. Okay, so that is it. I blended the ginger, garlic and lemon, and I'm cooking it together. So after that, we're going to be having our akara. I'm going to be making akara today. Now in a Saturday, African home on a Saturday, it's like emirayeme in a akara na kam. In African home, when growing up, like mostly this is what we have on Saturday, because I think Saturday is when everybody is like will be at home and you have chance to soak the beans, peel the beans, and do all the parara, like what they used to call it, like do all the parade there. Okay, so that is what we'll be having. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Okay, yeah. So guys, this is Saturday morning and we're having akara for breakfast. So come and have akara with us. You're a big boy. You're not saying I want to drink akamu again. That time you are small, you don't used to joke with akam. Yes. If you wake up, you start shouting, I want to drink akam. I want to drink akam. Do you know? Yes. That's what you used to say. Yes. It's for daddy and for Kobe. Your daddy likes akam like you. Kobe and his daddy. When Kobe was small, that's when Kobe loved Akamu. I don't know what happened to him now. But I think he's going to enjoy it today that I made it. So this is his own. So this is the akara. I want to share it.
You want to share with your daddy?
I want to share with your daddy.
Okay.
Hmm?
What
My
are
husband
you-
and Akamu.
Yeah.
Akara 5 and 6.
5 and 6?
Your daddy and Akara is 5 and 6.
Yes, it's your husband.
He's my husband.
Yes.
Baby, as you go be, your daddy and Akara and Akamu is 5 and 6. Me also. And he's your husband. No, my husband called Bukutu. Almost on that year. Atarange. He's my husband.
You're making my Akamun healthy.
I am putting honey for you so that it will be sweet.
It's so sweet.
You want sweet one, right?
Yes. Honey and milk. You like honey and milk?
Yes. If you put it inside your account, it will be so sweet
Yes.
and delicious.
And delicious.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm putting your milk.
You're putting my milk.
Mm.
I'm going to finish my account.
Wow. You're going to finish your account?
Yes.
That's good. Kobe say he's going to finish his account. I know Elena anymore you finish
Yes.
here.
It's milk.
It's milk now. I
Yes.
want to put milk
Yes.
for you.
Yes.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
Cooking jollof rice. Today?
The fish is going to eat me.
The fish is going what?
The fish is going to eat me.
Eh?
The fish is going to eat me.
The fish is gonna eat you.
Yes.
Name him. Fish that have died. Is dead and frozen. If the fish is alive, you think I'm going to touch it? I'm not going to touch it myself. I'm going to run like you. Drama king. How's the fish is gonna eat him? So fish is gonna eat him. Make a block, power block. I did not bring it out on time. I don't have chicken. I'm going to use this fish and cook this jollof rice like this. It's still blocked, still frozen. Hey! Come on, come on, come on, come on. It's not going to eat you. Hey, Jesus. Thing is still blocked, eh? Who has? You don't need to kill the fish, I beg. It's already dead when I got it. I'm just cutting it. Drama king. Number one drama king. So if the fish is alive, that's how you give me. You run it. Let the fish eat you.
Yes. Yes.
I hear call it one.
I got When you cut in the fish.
Yes, so it's still frozen. But I can
Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you. So lights paint the skies, only you. So
this pot is too small. I forgot to change it. This kind of concoction is what I cook today. Put the water, that's my own. Let me leave it to steam up. That is it. This is what the rice